Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing these Luminex super bright backup lights. I ordered them for my '08 Silverado and I ordered the wrong one. These are the Luminex 921 LED reverse light bulbs, but they will work in my cargo light. So I'm going to change these out real quick. I'll show you a quick before and after of the stock cargo lights versus these. Alright, so here's the stock cargo lights. There's it facing my garage. That's what they look like. And these are super easy to install. So you got two screws here and here, just like every other cargo light. Pop this out. Pull the bulb out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but pop the new Luminex bulb in. And then it just pushes right in the hole that the other one come out of. And here's what it looks like afterwards. You can see so much, and they are extremely bright. And for a reference, I'll turn these off. There's my backup lights, and there's the cargo lights. Huge difference. I can't wait to get my backup lights put in.